sugar in the snow, candy cane and mistletoe. Can I please get an espresso? Back to the heat in mid-July, I was driving outside to Nat King Cole. Everybody was asking why it ain't Christmas time, but when it hits you, well, you know, then December rolled around.
Good morning, you guys. Happy December. This is going on our 5th month living in the casita. It's my favorite time of the year. It's Christmas time and we're gonna decorate my first home for the first time. And I feel like there's really truly nothing else like it. We got our Christmas tree. My boyfriend cut it down in the forest, the good old Oregonian way. We decorated it that night, but we haven't really done anything else besides that, and like a couple stockings are hung. But I'm officially going through all of the decor that I've had from my parents' house, my apartments, and a couple things that I ordered a long time ago. I don't even remember ordering them when they were on mega sales. We're gonna see if we can jazz this place up and make it look officially wintertime, because I want to be able to enjoy it for like a full month. We're starting our day off with a little breakfast. I made like an herb avocado toast, put like a bunch of different parsley, dill, things like that on there with little tomatoes. And my amazing coworker gave me this cute little mug with skiers on it. It also holds like a lot of teas. We're starting our morning with our green tea because we pretty much have tea every single day. We're gonna start our day off. We have kind of a busy day, so we're gonna do a little to-do list. We have to go to Dryland tonight because I'm still coaching and it's the start of the season despite us not having any snow. We're gonna keep wrapping. I feel like wrapping little by little is just like fun and nice and relaxing. First things first, we also have to change our Christmas countdown. Here is what we have so far in the decor section. Beautiful tree. I think it turned out so nice. The lights were on sale, the star was on sale, and then my boyfriend and I combined ornaments, which was so fun and special. A couple of these we've gotten together, like this little ski boot we got together, avocado toast obviously because I make it all the time. This is one that my mom got me. It's a skiing pig. This little mouse surfboard, we got this when we went to Hawaii for my birthday. A Lake Como one that we got when we went to Lake Como together. There's a Santorini. This cutie little anthropology ornament, that's this pair of ski goggles. So there's some fun ones. There's like an Oregon Duck helmet. Baby Yoda is on here. Beyonce. Hannah Montana. That's our tree so far. There's a couple presents here that are unwrapped, so don't look over there, but we have the rest of the presents kind of wrapped. Using my wrapping card, I think I posted this on Instagram. It is so handy. My ribbon is right here. I keep like a bunch of gift labels and tiny little bags in here. And then this is extra paper and ribbon that's already been used that I want to like reuse. I grabbed this paper from my parents' house because I think I picked it out anyway and I just like was storing it there. But this one's beautiful. I think this is a Home Goods find, but I used this the other day to wrap and I thought it was so pretty. As you can tell, I'm trying to kind of go with a color aesthetic for the wrapping. A little bit of a vintage look with some greens and reds. So we're gonna make this place look festive. We have this cute little area too. My friend Leah got me these for my birthday. They're from West Elm and they're just too cute. That whole collection, I think, and maybe the stockings too, donates to St. Jude, so I thought that was special. I think it's officially 22 days till Christmas. This is from Target. Absolutely obsessed. It counts down to many different holidays. And then this, my mom got me. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the light because it's just really cute and it's a little advent calendar. Today is the 3rd, so we just put 2 little chocolates in here, so my boyfriend and I each have a little chocolate every single day to count down to Christmas. I'm so excited. I've been looking forward to doing this on my day off for so long. We're gonna nourish our body, eat breakfast, make a list, and then we're decorating.
Christmas time, but when it hits you, well, you know, then December rolled around. The snow was falling down. Everything decked in red and green. Then Santa decided to give me a ring. Okay, boomer. And he said, you've been good.
Sorry, I was taking a video of a squirrel eating this really cute mushroom. Here are the main boxes. I also need to just like create a bag of probably stuff that I just want to go to Goodwill. We got a lot of goodies here. Really wonderful fake greenery. Cute little ski pillow from like West Elm. Definitely need to put this on the couch. It's just too cute. Oh, that's my outdoor lights. Some of this is like outdoor stuff. Some of this stuff I will have to organize when I put everything away. We also have some of these twinkle lights, which could be cute on the mantle. This is from Anthropology, and I got this in a gift card that I got for my birthday. I just couldn't resist it. I thought it was so cute. I think I'm gonna put it somewhere in the living room, but there are these adorable little mice climbing up on the little ladder, and I feel like it has to go like on the side of the fireplace. Cute little dish towel with all of the resorts That will be going in the kitchen. Oh, okay, fun little Christmas tree moment. I am having a Christmas party here in 2 weeks, so that will be super fun to have it be all decorated and have like a holiday gathering, because I've only had one other like major event, which was our housewarming party, and that was a lot of people. That was 50 people, and I got it catered. Oh, that's cute. Woo, and that's gonna go in the trash. Some little wood beads in a garland situation. Well, I'm just gonna keep unboxing all of this, and we're gonna see what we have here. This is gonna be our new Goodwill box, and if I find stuff that I just don't like or won't use, I'm gonna put it all in there. Let's get decorating.
Sugar in the snow, candy cane and mistletoe. Can I please get an espresso? Back to the heat in mid-July, I was driving outside to Nat King Cole. Everybody was asking why it ain't Christmas time, but when it hits you, well, you know. Then December rolled up.
Coming together, I need to figure out how, probably with some sort of like command hook situation, to get this little piece across. But then again, it also like doesn't need it. So I don't know, I'm wondering where to put this. This could go somewhere else. Now I'm thinking it should go somewhere else, because like I already have a lot going on the mantle. This is why decorating a new space is hard. I do have this like Merry Christmas garland, so this could kind of like join it to go somewhere like even in the kitchen. I'm liking what I have so far. I think the advent calendar probably should go somewhere else, because like this is such a centerpiece of the room, and I just like having a subtle little glow of some lights behind the garland. Put the little Christmas trees here, countdown here, stockings on this side, but I feel like this should go somewhere else, like in its own area, and I'm kind of wondering if it should go right here in the center. Let's check it out. Oh, I'm thinking that is perfect. I have this fun Here Comes Santa little banner thing. I'm trying to figure out where, maybe this just looks so nice like color-wise that I should focus on this area, the entryway. Maybe I'll stick it in the plant. That's cute. Okay, I'm liking this area. I have a fun little gnome. This could be like the area where there's like more red, you know, like a little moment here. It needs like one more little thing. We're gonna see what this looks like. I think that's a little much. I think I should stick with like the little gnome look. That's kind of cute and funny. I also have like this area down below. We have 2 bottles of wine left, so that might not be my wine storage. We might put some Christmassy stuff there. I have these guys that are kind of fun. Okay, I put the Christmas trees over there. This could be kind of cute. Is this too much? The fresh cut trees. Styling is so hard. Where's my friend Leah when I need her? I do think that's kind of cute though. Here's the entryway setup. A little Here Comes Santa Claus, little gnome. We have a little village life. I think this is cute. Look how much stuff I have out. But I have to like see it all out. This bin used to just be all holiday for me, so I have like Halloween decor in here. I'm so glad I found my reindeer ears. I actually bought some other headbands and stuff to wear at work. These are kind of my favorite. I'm glad I found them. I really want to put lights around our bed. I have the skier sheets on, that's like the big thing, and I want the lights to go spiral around the bed, but there's only 2 plugs back here. There's truly nothing that motivates women more than being able to do the decor of their dreams, so I'm gonna just move all this stuff by myself, and we're gonna figure it out. We're having lights around this bed. Okay, I'm gonna need to put my camera on the charger, but look at this. Oh, we have to hide his identity, but this is perfect because now my boyfriend can put his phone right here. I think it looks really cute, and I have all my fun little happy jelly cats out. I'm gonna try to organize all these boxes and bins and figure out how it can like be a Jenga and fit together so we can minimize the boxes, but have it somewhat organized so that at least when I put it away, I'm a little less overwhelmed. So while you guys are on the charger, that's what I'm gonna be doing, but it's looking really cute in here. I have tiny little houses up and this fun little ski patrol opera ski sign. I put the mice up. That might be my favorite part. It's pretty stinking cute. It looks so good. I just did a quick tidy. I'm gonna run to the coffee shop really quick and say hi to my boyfriend and my friend who are there and just like check emails and do simple things like that. We got like extra lights for this tree because we weren't sure how many the tree was gonna take, so I'm gonna return those. We're gonna go. I'm gonna literally wear these out. Okay, I'm feeling Christmas confident. I never typically would wear them out, but I'm feeling festive and it matches my little green Viore set. It looks so good in here because there is absolutely no better feeling than decorating your first home for Christmas. I'm like, whoa. I just sat down and am having this delicious chopped salad that I made. I made some for lunch for tomorrow as well because I work tomorrow. Did a little meal prep. I'm gonna eat this, probably change because I have a feeling I'm gonna run errands and then just go straight to Dryland from there. I showed my boyfriend all the decor and he was like, oh my God, it's amazing. So later tonight we'll finish and then I'll give you guys a tour. I just heard the mailman knock on the door, so I'm gonna check her packages because I am waiting for my HelloFresh order. It's here, literally Merry Christmas. I'm gonna bring this inside. My boyfriend and I have been so excited. This video is actually sponsored by HelloFresh and I was so happy when they reached out to me. I love HelloFresh and HelloFresh literally taught me how to cook. In college, I used to get HelloFresh boxes and my roommate Taylor and I loved HelloFresh. All my friends would come over too. We'd get like a big box. I never cooked before I got HelloFresh and it just like gave me the confidence to be able to just follow their recipe cards. It's so simple and have dinner ready in less than 30 minutes, which is very convenient for my very busy lifestyle. I'm gonna get the box cutters so we can open it up and see what we got. HelloFresh is the #1 meal kit in America and they have over 100 recipes to choose from every single week. I was honestly shocked at how many recipe options they had and I think I picked out some really good ones, so I'm gonna show you guys. Spicy Thai rainbow veggie bowls, delish. We got turkey black bean chili, spicy Thai rainbow veggie and rice bowls, a curry ramen with chicken katsu, which my boyfriend's gonna freak out about because he loves ramen. Everything's pre-measured and portioned out. It's so convenient. And I got my chicken up in here. This box is amazing. Everything's like perfectly cold. Put my HelloFresh food away. I'm gonna cook that meal for dinner, but I did want to tell you guys about an awesome deal that HelloFresh is running right now. If you guys are interested in trying HelloFresh for yourself, they're running an awesome offer that if you click the link in my description box, you're gonna get a free Zwilling 4-star chef knife, which is valued at $144 on your third box. Plus, you're gonna get 10 free meals and your first box ships free when you put in my code. It's Kiara Madisen NFHZWL. I'm gonna put it on the screen here and also in the description box so you guys can just copy and paste it. You can also scan this QR code right here to take you to the site and check out all of their amazing food. So be sure to check out HelloFresh.com so you can put in that coupon code and score your free knife, 10 meals and free shipping. And that being said, I think I'm gonna do a quick change and then we're gonna get ready to do errands because it's already 2 o'clock. That's crazy. And Dryland starts at 4:15. So I need to run a couple errands and then make sure I get there before traffic hour because I always like to get there early. Literally about to win Coach of the Year. I got treats for our competition to see which team is the fastest through the cone course that we set. So we like to have some incentive. We're officially home. I'm in my comfy clothes still. We're wearing beanies. We're wearing reindeer hats today. Life is good. I got the chosen HelloFresh meal that my boyfriend wanted me to make. We're doing the miso curry ramen with chicken katsu. This is a 30-minute meal. I have a feeling it's gonna be like one of those comfort meals. Usually when I do my HelloFresh meals, I just dump everything out and then I use this as like my little countertop trash can and then I just put everything in the trash and it works great. Ooh, yes. I love ramen with veggies. Miso stock, see, this is why it's so great to do HelloFresh because this is a random ingredient that I wouldn't necessarily have. I'm gonna do a little time lapse. I'm gonna get this party started.
the snow. Candy cane and mistletoe.
Can I please get an espresso?
Back to the heat in mid-July. I was driving outside to Nat King Cole. Everybody was asking why it ain't Christmas time, but when it hits you, well, you know.
Never made ramen before and it looks so fire. Look at this, A+. Okay, we're gonna eat, we're starving. You guys, that meal was absolutely delicious. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna do the dishes, get this kitchen looking clean, and then we're gonna reward ourselves some Christmas wrapping. I already packed my lunch for tomorrow for work, so I just need to lay out my clothes and then I'm ready to go. Let's clean this kitchen. This is life without a dishwasher.
Christmas spirit is died. Grab your friends and sing this song. It goes like this and it won't take long. No need to overthink it. Just open up your heart and sing it.
I got so tired. I literally took a power nap after doing all the dishes. I'm now ready for bed, which is great because I'm gonna just wrap the rest of the night and get a bunch of stuff done. But I promised you guys I'd give you a tour and I never showed you what it looked like in its moody nighttime vibes. It's looking really cute. So we're gonna start off with this little section over here. Got the advent calendar. I went to the store and I totally forgot to get ribbon because I wanted to put bows on these. So hopefully by the next video I film, there'll be bows on those. We've got the Let It Snow sign, a little Santa pendant, the gnome, and then cute little house and Christmas trees at the bottom. And I put pom-poms over these that look like little snowballs. But this is my favorite part. The tree is beautiful. It's glowing. This is a little mantle at night. I feel like it turned out so well with the subtle lights behind, just on the top section. And then the stockings are looking cute. We've got our Christmas countdown, the trees, the mice. They're working hard over there. This is like the ski section with the sign and everything. I got this at Target for $5. I'm so glad I bought it. My little jellycat here, and then on the windowsill are these little tiny houses, and my boyfriend was like, you should paint this white so it matches, which I probably will. We didn't have time to hang the Merry Christmas sign, but we probably will later because I'm gonna have a Christmas party here in a couple weeks. I put little reindeer here. We've got the ski pillow here. I have some presents here to wrap. I feel like I still have so many gifts to wrap, and as long as I'm excited to wrap, I'm gonna just do it because then I won't have to stress about it later. I'll just be ahead of my to-do list.
We all like being on our phones all the time, but I think we need a reality check. And some of us definitely need to check our screen time. I have no room to talk, but can we go back to the old days and actually enjoy the holidays?
Officially 11 p.m., which means it's time for me to go to bed since I work tomorrow. I want to thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. I love decorating for Christmas, and I am definitely clearly in the Christmas spirit. Today's question of the day is gonna be, what's your favorite holiday? Mine's Christmas, obviously. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.
I don't wanna say just the same damn thing. What's your height, what's your age, what's the price of your way? And every year we're expected to show all the things that we were able to grow. When you're making half the money